There's a new bill in the New York State Legislature aimed at putting the brakes on speeders. Lawmakers want speed limiting devices installed in the vehicles of repeat offenders. CBS 2's Christina Fan has the story.
A group of friends who lost a neighbor, a woman still battling PTSD, and a survivor left with traumatic brain injury. These are just some of the many faces forever changed by reckless driving.
In a huge percentage of those cases, speeding was the factor that killed their loved one.
On Tuesday, next to a deadly section of Atlantic Avenue in Brooklyn, survivors of traffic violence, along with State Senator Andrew Gennardis, introduced a bill to decrease speeding by forcing repeat offenders to install speed limiters in their cars.
We feel that this is a way at keeping our streets safer, as well as forcing people to slow down.
Under the proposed legislation, drivers who accumulate 6 or more speeding tickets in a year or 11 or more points on their license in 18 months would have to install the device. The system would limit the speed of their car to no more than 5 miles over the speed limit.
We know that this type of intervention works with drunk driving, breathalyzer tests, where drivers cannot start their car before they demonstrate that they are sober. It's the same exact approach.
In New York, where speed is a contributing factor in 30% of traffic fatalities, most are supportive of tougher consequences. In fact, many think the bill doesn't go far enough.
That's shocking. That's saying like you have 6 chances to harm somebody before there's accountability.
Give them 3. 3's enough. Yeah. After 3, let's do something.
Lawmakers say their focus first is on targeting the most egregious violators. Those drivers would be required to use the speed limiter for a minimum of 12 months. In Cobble Hill, Brooklyn, Christina Fan, CBS 2 News.
Lawmakers say the device has already been proven effective when tested in New York City municipal vehicles. Drivers followed the speed limit 99% of the time.